In this video, we are going to show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking in the server GTM container. So migrating Google Ads to server side is very simple. And if you've done Facebook conversion API, the process is more or less the same. We're going to break down this to two main phases. The first one is setting up the Google tag or the G4 configuration tag with some parameters we are going to send to Google Ads. And the second step is configuring our Google Ads conversion linker once we are in the server container of GTM. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So as you can see, I am using my dashboard again to kind of help you understand what we are going to do. So here we are on the client side, and basically we are going to add some parameters to our Google Analytics configuration tag, or the what we call the Google tag. On the server side, we have a G4 client, which is going to claim this request, and our tag will get the information from the client. Process, as I said, is very similar to what we've done with Facebook. I will link the article below, and yeah, that's what we are going to do. So the first step is adding the G4 parameters to the Google tag. As you can see, we are in Google Tag Manager. To add some parameters, we haven't yet moved to the server container because we need to make some slight modifications in the configuration tag settings. Okay, so the first parameter we need to add is our server URL. The second one is user data. So probably you are not familiar with user data. This parameter will allow us to send first-party data like email and other fields as first-party data to our server container. I've got a bunch of data layers to extract the fields from a form I have. So I will just go ahead and add the user provided data here. And I don't send usually my page view using the Google tags, but you don't have to if you do not have a page view tag. I will save this and I will move to my server container to add the conversion linker, and I will move to the server container to finish the setup. So the next step is in our server container. Make sure that you have a G4 client. If you did not add a client yet, you can find it here. Just click on it and save. And on the tag panel, as you can see, I've added my conversion linker. There is nothing major to do. Just click on conversion linker and make sure that it fires on all pages and save it. Here, I just gave an example of form submission. You can really do whatever conversion you might want to track, but my event fires basically on form submit. Whenever a user clicks on or submits a form, I will get data to my server container. Here on the conversion ID in the conversion label, just get this data from the Google Ads panel. So the last step is to check whether your conversion is firing properly on the server side. So I have this page here that I opened using my client GTM, and I opened preview mode in server container GTM. So I will just do a simple test here to see how our conversion is being recorded. So on the client side, I have this event here, which is G4 generate lead. And on the server side, I've got the generate lead here, and my event form submit or my conversion on Google Ads is being recorded because the data from our clients is being sent correctly. It seems like everything is working as expected. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next.